Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So, I want to add an angel feather. This picture was created by one of my mentors, and so I want to maybe add an angel feather so he can look like an angel because I love this photo shoot. I love it so much. So I already imported I downloaded it. This is the download site. Yeah. So in case you're interested. So right now I will just go here and bring it in here. Yeah. So I will have to put it here, then Control T, something like this, and I want this to be big so it can look like a big powerful angel. Hey, I'm a fan of fantasy. I like to create fantasies. I like to make supernaturals that things come true. Yeah. So people say I'm a mad editor, but no. Yeah, I kind of like it. So first of all, we're going to mask this layer. Make sure this is on black. When I started learning this, I made a lot of mistakes. So make sure this is on black. Then you pick your brush, and now I reduce my. Then I start cleaning. You know, to make it real, we have to clean like everything and everything. Yeah, everything, like totally everything. Yeah, you see something like this. I'm still trying to figure this out. So yeah, we clean everything here. Let's not lose the beauty of the suit. Let's not lose its beauty. There. So this shouldn't be here. This shouldn't be here. So now we're talking about something. How about we decide to shrink it? You see, I'm trying to hide my mistakes. So yeah, I'm trying to hide my mistakes. Enter. So Control plus, and now it's time for some ultimate corrections. Look at this. A suit. So be careful where you make your mistakes so you don't ruin the imagination you are trying to create. So let me just switch this over. So that's it. So now, come on, tell me how it is. How is this dude looking? Can you see this dude? Now this is a super angel. Yeah, so add some white. Make sure everything is looking beautiful. Then group from layer. Okay, so I want to be so yes. Control B, Control B, Control B. So guys, tell me, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? Well, before, after. Before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Yes. Hey, fantasy is real. It's real. Yeah. Come on. So. It's just meant to fuck. So sorry, I was making a mistake. This should be here. Yeah. If I add it, if it's the other way around, I start making mistakes. So yeah, you see it. Now we get what we are looking for. This is what we're looking for. I made that mistakes most times, so I like to correct it every time. Every time. Come on, someone should tell me this is beautiful. You wasn't expecting this to be so easy. So merge visible layers, Control B, this is color balance. You go to your color balance. See, nah, this is an Android. It's supposed to be epic.